Hey guys, after this intro, I'm going to tell you how I screwed up my beard. Hey guys, it's me, Jamie Cox, owner and founder of OP's Beard Co. Today, I'm going to tell you about how I screwed up my beard big time. Before I do that, if you're into bearding, you want to check out more beard videos, beard care, beard wear, beard. Please subscribe. Check out some of our awesome videos, help me out massively. So, how I screwed up my beard. This incident happened quite a while ago. I haven't recently screwed up my beard, a little disclaimer there. My beard is absolutely fine, thank God. But I did screw my beard up big time. This incident happened probably about 4 or 5 years ago when I first started growing a beard. And what I did was I kept trimming the cheek lines, I kept trimming the neckline, and I kept trying to make the beard look really well kept as I was growing it. This turned out to be a huge mistake. What I ended up doing was I ended up trimming the neckline of my beard too high. And what happened was it made my beard look absolute garbage. It didn't look too bad from the front, but from the side, when I look back at pictures of it, it was terrible. You could check out our video, which I done last week, on how to trim your neckline up above here. If you're starting to grow your beard, I suggest you watch it and not make the same mistake I did. So I got around 5 or 6 months of growth in before I made this huge mistake. And as I said, I just trimmed it. And what I did was I actually shaved up to the jawline, and that's where I kept my beard at. Now, shaving to the jawline is fine if you've got a stubble beard, but if you want to grow your beard a bit longer, it makes your beard look terrible. And to illustrate that, here is the picture where I realised I screwed my beard up. As you can see, the neckline is shaved up above the neck. It's shaved to the jaw. There's a reason it's called a neckline and not a jawline. Always shave up to the neck, not to the jaw, because it makes your beard look absolute garbage. So in a nutshell, that's how I ruined my beard. Please don't ruin yours. Check out our video on how to trim the neckline. Check out some of our other videos so you don't make other mistakes. If you like this video, check out some of our other videos. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you next week for another awesome video. Look after yourself. Take care. Bye bye. Don't know why I've done 2 hands up there.